So over here you can see that I have text, and if I were to click on this, then what happens is on the right side you get different options. So here what you can do is you can work around with its formatting. Let's say for example, if you were to click on bold, you can see that the font becomes bold right here. You can also select out a particular text right here on the text area and click on bold, and only that will be bolded out. Similarly, you can underline it or italicize this out as well. So you can see that you can work around with formattings. You can work around with font size as well. So if I were to click outside, click on the text box, increase and decrease the font size, then this is what you have. But if I were to go around and select out certain text area right here and change the font size, you can see that it changes out the font size for that particular selected text. You can go around over here and you can select out different font size over here as well, or you can type in the font size that you want as well, and the font size will be applied. So another thing that you can do is you can change around the font as well. So if I were to press Ctrl A, all of the font will be selected. So let me just go around and select 12 point or maybe 24 for this font. So once I do that, I can go around into font, and over here you can see that I can choose around different fonts as I want. But not for all fonts, all of the formattings are supported. For example, for this, even if I were to click bold, you can see that nothing actually happens because bold is not supported for this font. Underline is supported, but italicizing is not supported, as you can see. So that totally depends on the font. Another thing that you can do is you can change around the font color as well. So you can simply go around, go to the color, select out a font color as you wish. You can also use this slider right here to select out a particular color right here. If you know the hexadecimal code, you can type it in over here as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to type in hexadecimal code right here, just like this, you can see that the particular color will be selected out right here. If you want to change out the color of a particular text, you can simply click and drag out, and then you can go around and choose around the color just like this, and you can click outside, and this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with font formatting, font color, and font size inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.